Like with me, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Russian business lobby calls for Bank to clear state yuan reserves. Most arbiters, Russian top business lobby called on Friday for the central bank to build up its reserve on the Chinese yuan in a bid to stabilize the trouble, which is susceptible to wild bouts of volatility and has been trading near multi-year height. The Russian Union of Industrials and Entrepreneurs (RSWP) said Russia needed to step up its purchase of the yuan and currencies from other friendly countries to help stabilize the value of the Russian currency. The ruble has surges under Moscow's strict capital controls and a slump in imports. Russian business say a strong currency dents their competitiveness, and the government favors an exchange rate of 70 and until 80 against the dollar. On Friday, the dollar was trading in a very wide range from 58.20 until 58.35 against in the green break. The RSWP said Russia's finance ministry should issue yuan-denominated bonds, which can then be bought by both the central bank and private investors. Selling rubles to buy French currency should weaken the value of the Russian currency by increasing its supply on forex market. Before being hit with unprecedented sanction, with first around half of the central bank international reserve, Russia used to buy tens of billions of dollars worth of foreign currencies and gold every year. Moscow has since eclipsed a campaign to reduce the role of the dollar, euro, and other Western currencies in its financial system. Moscow Exchange, Russia's largest stock market, said earlier this week it expects trading volumes in the ruble yuan pair on its platform will surpass dollar ruble deals next year. In a letter to the Finance Ministry and Central Bank, the RSWP also called for the country to intensify its efforts to provide financial institutions of friendly countries access to Russia's exchange infrastructure. Russia has locked out banks of and investors from most foreign markets since February. Moscow considers friendly countries thus which have not imposed sanction on Russia since it launched military action in Ukraine. GBP or USD clings to weekly gains around 1,117, bolstered by month-end flows. The GBP or USD is recovering from earlier lows as the North American session progresses, even though the market sentiment shifts sour as Fed officials. USD or CAD zooms to 1.38 as month and flows hit a low knee. The risk pictures has deteriorated since Europe went home and oil is also lower today, so there's good reason to sell the loonie, but month-end flows might be pushing it further just justified. The pair just cruised above 1,038 from a low of 1,069.77 just a few hours ago. Earlier this week, posts about Credit Agricole warning about month-end flows into USD or CAD, a close anywhere above 1,037.23 will be the highest since May 2020, while above 138.33 would mark a new intraday height. This is a third big weekly gain and this peer is learning almost as quickly did as it did at the outset of the pandemic. This article was written by Adam Button and ForexLive.com. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.